church is radical. There's more trucks than cars, more churches round here than bars. I'll show you around, my dot on the map. You ain't ever gonna wanna go back to them city lights and that life where you can't see the Big Dipper at night. Yeah, I might just have what you just don't know you like. I got that country boy lovin', gonna get you into some little kiss, a little hugging that you can't find in any big city. Oh, when you're with me, I lay it down like Conway Twitty. If you're looking for the good stuff, I know, man, I got that country boy lovin', gonna love you like a country boy can. I'm talking 9 to 5, 5 to 9. These hands don't mind a little overtime. We're rolling the hay down on the farm. You'll be in every song coming out of this guitar. I got that country boy lovin', gonna get you into some little kiss, a little hugging that you can't find in any big city. Oh, when you're with me, I'll lay it down like Conway Twitty. If you're looking for the good stuff, I'm your man. I got that country boy lovin', gonna love you like a country boy can. 'Cause I can. Some guys might have a mansion and a BMW. They might be rich, but money can't get. Girl, what I'm gonna give to you. I got that country boy lovin', gonna get you into some little kiss, a little hugging that you can't find in any big city. Oh, when you're with me, I'll lay it down like Conway Twitty. If you're looking for the good stuff, I'm your man. I got that country boy lovin', gonna love you like a country boy can. I got that country boy lovin', gonna love you like a country boy can. 'Cause I can.
This dance is called Country Boy Lovin'. It's a 32 counts, full absolute beginner level line dance, starting with the right foot. Section 1, weight is on the left. V steps. Step right out to right diagonal. Step left out to left diagonal. Step right back to center. Step left together next to right. Heel splits 2 times. Split both heels out. Return both heels back to center. Split both heels out. Return both heels back to center. Weight ends on left foot. Section 2, repeat. Section 1, V steps. Out, out, back to center, together. 2 times heel splits. Split heels out. Return heels to center. Split heels out, return heels back to center, ending weight on left foot. Section 3, vine right with scuff. Step right to right side. Cross that left behind right. Step right to right side. Scuff left across. 2 times 4 rock recovers. Rock 4 left, recover to right. Rock 4 left, recover to right. Section 4, vine left with a quarter turn left. Step left to left side. Cross that right behind left. Make a quarter left turn, stepping for left foot, facing 9. Touch right next to left. Right 45, left 45. Touch right heel to right diagonal. Step together on right. Touch left heel to left diagonal. Step together on left. Weight is now on the left foot and begin the dance again. Let me walk through the steps with counts. Weight is on the left. Section 1, V steps. Out, out, in, in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel splits 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, V steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heel splits. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now for the heel splits, the steps is also known as buttermilk. You can do an extended buttermilk for count 5, 6, 7, 8. So both section 1 and section 2 after the V steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. The extended buttermilk, split both heels out, both toes out, toes return back to center, return both heels back to center, and do it on left foot. So the counts for the section 1 and 2, the last 5 counts, the extended buttermilk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, vine with scuff across. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rock recovers 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, vine quarter turn left. 1, 2, 3, touch 4. Right 45, 5, together 6, left 45, 7, together 8. Let's do the counts again. Weight is on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extended buttermilk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's a little ending for this dance. You'll be doing the last wall. Wall 12, facing the 3 o'clock wall. Just do the first 4 counts, the V steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then add 3 more counts. The V steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add another 3 counts. Step forward, right foot. 1. Perfect quarter left turn weight onto left foot to face 12. 2. Stomp for right. 3.